Yesterday we got a load of trailers in. There were 20 trailers on one semi. PJ, Load Trail, some of your superior companies use semi trucks to haul these trailers. It's safer, more efficient, and more effective. Let me show you just a few things about this. Obviously, these trailers are dirty when they come in because it's been a long trip. We take every one of these trailers, bring them in the shop, check every wire, check every light, check every lug nut, check every brake to make sure that that trailer is going to be the safest possible trailer on the road. Let me show you something else about the way they build these. These trailers, this happens to be PJ, but Load Trail is the same high quality, same high standards. They're members of the NATDA, which is an association for trailer manufacturers. They have big standards. They have to have so much distance between the tongue and the tires. They have to use good materials and powder coat. It's extremely important to get a powder coated trailer. These things aren't cheap, folks, and there's more expensive trailers and there's cheaper trailers. But not only do they powder coat these, but a lot of them are primed and they dip them in acid so it gets rid of the grease and junk. And you won't find rust on this trailer in a year, 2 years, 5 years, unless you scratch it or get in an accident or something like that. These trailers are just built strong. See the members? Look at all the extras. You don't have to worry about tie downs. The gates have springs on them. And again, brakes on tandem axle trailers. And when I look at this trailer, folks, I don't think about a chunk of metal. I think about a welder that's getting paid good money, probably has a family, wants a new house, wants to dress his children nicely, takes them to the doctor, and you know what? That's worth it. Because when you're following a school bus like my son talks about, you can be sure that that thing is going to be safe. Or if a school bus is following you. This is important things, and boy, we're proud of these companies that we use. If you can see here, those are some trailers that came in yesterday on that load, and we've put them together. We haven't washed them yet, but we put them together. These trailers, they all come with tires and wheels not attached. So what we do is take them off with forklifts, put some tires and wheels on them, take them into the shop, put the other tires and wheels on them, check every light, check every coupler, check every safety chain, and look at the way these are built. This is channel. This is a channel, it's not an angle iron. This is a channel. That's a channel. Today's consumer are buying $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 UTVs. And if you find a trailer maybe a couple $100 less than this, maybe, and look at it and you see rust, you see bad welds, man, it has a lot to say about the character of the manufacturer. And we're proud of the ones that we sell. Next time you get a chance, I'm not going to do it because I'm cold and it's wet. Look under the trailer. You'll find that these better companies powder coat the cross members, the top, they powder coat the spare tire holders, they powder coat the coupler, and this is an adjustable coupler, by the way. And if the framework underneath, we'll never see it unless you bend down and look underneath. If they take as much pride in the framework as what they do on top, that's a pretty good sign.